Tummy Time Newborn, part of BabyPillars home course.
Now, place your thumbs beneath your baby's knees so that your remaining 4 fingers are wrapped gently around the front of the legs. Bounce your baby's pelvis gently up and down. Notice that the motion is slow and passes all the way onto your baby's head. Here we can evaluate their chest motion. When the pelvis is lowered and meets the floor, your baby is learning how to relax its body and release unnecessary tension.
Tummy Time Newborn, part of BabyPillars home course.
Slowly, straighten your baby's legs and continue the same back and forth motion towards her head. Place 4 fingers underneath their shins, and your thumb should wrap around their shins. Gently rock your baby up towards its head and down back towards yourself. Again, the movement here is slow and steady and should always be accompanied by eye contact and constant communication. Gently hold on to your baby's legs separately and roll them onto their side, making sure that one knee is bent and the other is straight. Rolling them should always be toward the side of the straightened leg. Leave your baby on their side and massage them in this position for several seconds. Make sure your baby's knee is held closely to the floor. This exercise is actually your baby's first introduction to the sides of its body. This will ultimately lead to a further familiarization with all of your baby's body parts and will be extremely helpful in every stage of development. Perform this exercise on both the right and left sides of the body, and then return your baby to laying on its back with one knee straight and the other bent.
Tummy Time Newborn, part of BabyPillars home course.
In the following step, hold your baby's legs separately once again and roll them until their belly touches the floor. Watch your baby's position. Bend the right knee with your 4 fingers placed around the shin and roll them gently towards their stomach. Notice how your baby is laying on its stomach. Did it adjust its hands to reach forward? Is your baby trying to lift its head? Is one hand stuck beneath its body? Is it comfortably laying on its stomach? Is it lifting its head? Each stage of this exercise will lead your baby to lay comfortably on its stomach without any tension in its chest.
Tummy Time Newborn, part of BabyPillars home course.